Welcome to the Rocket Electronics step-by-step guide on how to replace the battery for your iPhone 8. Let's dive in. Step 1. Remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the iPhone near the charging port. Use the plastic pry tool to carefully work around the phone's edges, separating the display from the body. Once the screen is lifted, don't pull it off completely. There are several ribbon cables inside that connect the display to the logic board. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the two metal brackets that hold the cables in place. Gently disconnect the battery cable first, then the display cables. Next, we'll remove the old battery. First, locate the adhesive strips under the battery. Using tweezers or your fingers, carefully pull the adhesive strips out. Take your time, as you don't want to tear them. Once the strips are removed, gently lift the battery using the plastic pry tool. Be careful not to puncture or bend the battery. Now it's time to install the new battery. Place the new adhesive strips inside the battery compartment and carefully position the new battery on top. Connect the battery cables before placing the battery into its final position. Make sure it's aligned properly. Start by reattaching the cables. Once everything is securely in place, screw the metal bracket back on to hold the cables in position. Now, gently press the display back into place, starting from the top and working your way down. Finally, reinsert the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of the phone to secure the display. Power on your iPhone to ensure everything is working properly. Your battery replacement is now complete. Thanks for following along with our tutorial on how to replace the battery for an iPhone 8. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips with the Rocket Electronics.